heading to Stockton-Heath to meet up with the my biker bros, and we're heading to the Raven Café on the A49. Famous biker spot, and there should be, I would think, lots of people out today. Just heading there on the back roads. Summer's finally here, I like to think, after a week of rain, 2 weeks of rain. With all this climate change, you'd think, you know, it would be hotter than it is. But it's cyclic, folks, it's cyclic. So they all say. Apart from the experts who say there is climate change. But it's contested. Apparently, it's always been climate change. Who am I to know? Oh, that's where we are, folks. Anybody knows the road? Hammered it down here many a time back in my youth. Oops. Boy racer. Fancy having an ST, eh? Must be a boy racer with an ST. I've got an ST. Now, down at this roundabout, folks, I'm going to crawl because I know it's got potholes the size of the Grand Canyon. And my shocks have had it anyway. Oh, has it been resurfaced? Oh, look at that. We're actually doing something for once. That was a pleasure. Stop loitering around zebra crossings, Mr. Wife Beater. Sure, it's an offence, although he should be much closer. Oh look, there's my old family home. Hey Stuart, and to say, look, Eva, that's my old bedroom. Very exciting. Not. Oh yeah, last minute, right. Enough of me waffling, let's cue the music. Let's drop some drum and bass. Oh, it looks like Jem. And that's Tony. He thinks. Haha! Terry and Jem. Morning, peeps.
How are you?
Who's coming?
Glynn.
Forrest.
Glynn.
Forestry Commission's 5 times in a row.
The thing is,
Yeah, I'm doing good.
I didn't bring any of the cameras.
Oh, that's unusual. Sober.
That's a rare thing to be honest.
That's the first, that is
How the move go?
What, you didn't go out last night?
No, I didn't.
Well,
I may cut for it later on.
Yeah, you probably will.
When you got the front rail like that, you can feel them. There's something's moving a little bit.
See people getting on.
Some stuff like that.
Yeah, it's called the bike.
It's called
it looks like
No, I think it's just that's moving.
and some building at the bottom.
Just roll the front. I'll keep roll the front wheel forward and back.
It's a funny setup.
You feel it?
Yeah. Is it half a house?
Feel that?
We've got a house
You've got the
and a
whole-
garage next to it.
Right.
Independent
Caliper,
garage.
isn't it?
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think so.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah,
We'll find out.
I thought that as well.
We'll find out. That's bad, actually.
But yeah, cars can use the road as well, you know.
On it as well. Don't push it, I'll delete you.
lay-by where Wigan diggers originated, and you need to change one letter on that to know what goes on in that car park after that. Allegedly. Okay, well we've got to get past this car. Ah, goody goody gumdrops. Where's he going? Oh, he's going with that. He wanted that spot there because he's got a big aerial, and he's a amateur radio ham. I I think they use this area quite a bit. I've seen quite a few cars parked up here. Over the years, I suppose you get good reception. Don't know how far these people can broadcast for or receive. I bet it's quite far, because you wouldn't do it otherwise. Just sit at home, wouldn't you? So yeah, it must be quite far. Is it long wave or ultra high frequency radio? I don't know. There ain't a cloud in the sky. It stopped raining. Everybody's on. Salute the flags. Oh, is he going to stop for me? Yes. Well then, lad. It's our water park. In the plants. And as this is my neighbourhood, I'll stay in second and show that I'm a responsible motorcyclist. Okay, don't move, Mr. Hyundai man. Okay, well, I'm signing off now, folks, so I'll catch you on the next one.